You really think ancient people were just gnawing on stale bread, praying for a crumb? This guy microwaves a frozen burrito and calls it a feast. Meanwhile, the Egyptians were throwing banquets that would put your all-you-can-eat buffet to shame. Picture tables loaded with roast goose, figs, honey cakes, and enough wine to drown your entire group chat. The Romans? They had 7-course dinners, flamingo tongues, and more seafood than your local sushi spot. Even the Vikings threw wild feasts. Yeah, the guys with axes and helmets, while you're proud of your air fryer nuggets. Sure, famines happened, but most of history wasn't one endless episode of Survivor. People celebrated harvests, weddings, and victories by eating like kings and queens. You think you invented treat yourself? Ancient Persians literally invented the dessert table, stacked with pastries and sweets you can't even pronounce. So next time you're flexing your sad meal prep on TikTok, remember, you're not feasting, you're rationing. Maybe stop judging the past and start judging your own dinner. Who's really evolved here?